Yes, this is the Igbo Tutor Live. So wherever you are welcome to live Igbo class. So this is the Igbo Tutor. Are you interested in learning Igbo language free of charge? You are born by Igbo parents, you are married to Igbo, you are born outside Igbo land, but you want to learn Igbo language. This is where to be. Every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time, we come together to learn Igbo language on the go. So you do well to join me now. If you're seeing me, this is the Igbo Tutor. If you are seeing me now, begin to join this live class now. All channel members, do well to join here now. Sorry about that. The other class is not going as planned. The camera is not showing as planned. So please, let's come back to this particular live class now. Begin to join now. Yes, please join up wherever you are interested in learning Igbo language free of charge. You will do well to join up now. And as you join, just hit the chat and drop your greetings there. Send no dalo, so we can all begin to learn together. Yes, wherever you are seeing me, you are now seeing me, any part of the world, you are free to join us to learn Igbo language. Asusu Igbo, Amaka. Okay, this is the Igbo Tutor. When you join, the first thing to do is to drop a chat and say, they will know Dalo, so we can know you are here. Pick your name and drop our greetings to you. So do that now as we join. Are you a friend of Igbo, born by Igbo parents? You're an Igbo person living outside Igbo land, living outside the country, and you need to learn this language, speak it with anyone. This is where to be. So you do well to join us now as we learn Igbo language, to speak it free of charge. Okay, this is the Igbo Tutor. Ndewo, ebe ọbụla ị nọ, ị chọrọ ịmụ asụsụ Igbo, ị chọrọ ịsụ Igbo na mpaghara ụwa niile, amụrụ gị dịka nwafọ Igbo mana ị maghị asụ Igbo, ị bụ onye chọrọ ịlụ onye Igbo dịka nwoke ma ọ nwaanyị, ị chọrọ ịmụ ka esi asụ Igbo, ebe a ka anyị nọ. Ya mere bata soro anyị mụọ asụsụ Igbo. Asụsụ Igbo amaka. You are born by Igbo parents, married to Igbo, you are a friend of Igbo, whoever you are, and you intend to learn Igbo language. This is where to be. Just join us now, free of charge, and learn Igbo. Let's do it together. I have some people here already. Princess Ndewo, Nakeno, Emehe. Okay, welcome back, Emehe. Thank you for returning back. Right. I think we're having sizable class already, or people in the class. And then the ideal thing would be to start the class immediately. I wouldn't want what happened last week to repeat again this time around when I waited for everybody for over 20 minutes. I couldn't see anyone. I have to pack my bags and baggages and leave. Thank God you are here today. All right, let's go. Nake first to join. Princess follows. Okay, Clement Emehe joined first in the original class planned, but it couldn't work out fine. I had to return to this one. So, Clement, thank you for being there first and rejoining again. Dewo, Chukwu gozie gị. Let's go on. Beginning, our rules are already known. We're continuing with the same pattern of discussion. I make Igbo sentence, you listen to me. This is listening and comprehension. You listen to me, you try to understand what I said, you rewrite what I said in English, as the case may be. And then, where necessary, I have to write what I said in Igbo so that we can all update our records. So let's begin. Enwere m otu enyi. Enwere m otu enyi. First sentence for the day. Enwere m otu enyi. Can you write what I've said? Enwere m otu enyi. Okay, let's go. First sentence already dropped. Enwere m otu enyi. Let's go there. Okay, Nake is in. Where is Princess? Where is Emehe? Enwere m otu enyi. Yes, let's drop that. Enwere m otu enyi. Okay, Princess is in. Oh, Princess came in first before Nake. Okay, I have, Clement said many friends. That's not true. Okay, let me write what I said in Igbo. Enwere m otu enyi. Okay, enwere m otu enyi. So who got it? First, Princess, I have one friend. Yes, that's true. Okay, Otutu is many. Very well, Princess. You got it. Otutu is many. Enwere m otu enyi, I have one friend. Okay, that's correct. So Princess, correct. Nake, correct. And then emeghe, take your correction. Enwere m otu enyi. Come, let us speak Igbo language. As you join us, please drop a chat. Say ndewo, no, dalu. Just greet us. And let's learn together. Okay, let me go to the second sentence. Gịnị bụ aha enyi gị? Oh, before that, hold on. Ọ bụ enyi nwoke ka ọ bụ nke nwaanyị ka ị nwere? Ọ bụ enyi nwoke ka ọ bụ nwaanyị ka ị nwere? Let's do that first. Ọ bụ enyi nwoke ka ọ bụ nwaanyị ka ị nwere? Write what I've just said in English. Ọ bụ enyi nwoke ka ọ bụ nwaanyị ka ị nwere? Write what I've just said now in English. Let's go. Ọ bụ enyi nwoke ka ọ bụ nwaanyị ka ị nwere? Let's do that now. Okay, Nnaka is in. Okay, I'm waiting for the rest. Ọ bụ enyi nwoke ka ọ bụ nke nwaanyị ka ị nwere? Let's go. Nnaka is in. Where is Princess? Where is Emehe? Let's go. Wherever you are now, see me. You are lucky to see me today. This is almost like an open class. So wherever you are, see me. This is the Igbo Tutor Live. This is where we practice speaking Igbo, listening to Igbo conversation, showing how much we understand Igbo sentences, Igbo words, spoken Igbo, not written ones, spoken Igbo, so that we can see how we can flow with people around us when they speak Igbo, how much we can comprehend. That is what we do here. This is practical Igbo class. You might have been watching videos, but here we practice what we'll be learning. Okay, so join us every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's do this together. I have Princess already in. Where is Emehe? Okay. Ọ bụ enyi nwoke ka ọ bụ nwaanyị ka ị nwere? Okay. Nwoke ka ọ nwaanyị. Emehe, where are you? Ọ bụ enyi nwoke ka ọ bụ nwaanyị ka ị nwere? I'm waiting for Emehe before I mark. Ọ bụ enyi nwoke ka ọ bụ nwaanyị ka ị nwere? I'm waiting for Clement Emehe to supply his answer. Just translate what I've said now in Igbo, translate it in English, and post it in the chat to prove that you can understand the spoken Igbo, translate it, and comprehend what it is exactly. I ask a question. Ọ bụ enyi nwoke ka ọ bụ nwaanyị ka ị nwere? Interpret this and write it there. Is it male friend or female friend that you have? Okay, it's a question. Let me review. Nnake came in first. Is it male or female friend that you have? Excellent. Princess, is the friend a boy or a girl you have? Partially. Nnake is better in this aspect. Clement, is it male friend or female friend that you have? Still good. Okay. Is it male or female friend that you have? All right. Now go ahead and answer the question. You have the answer. You have the floor. Answer this question by yourself. Okay. Let me see how you answer the question. Answer me in Igbo language. Answer this question in Igbo language. Type it in Igbo in the chat. Answer me. Who? Is it male or female friend that you have? Tell us. Answer us in Igbo. But before then, I have to write the Igbo sentence that I said earlier. Okay? That is the rule. While you are doing your own, my I dot under is failing me. Otherwise, those my I here should all have dot under them. But my dot under is failing me in this keyboard. I don't know why. Okay, now let's go to your answer. Nnake said, enwere m enyi nwanyị. Good one. And then Princess said, enwere m enyi nwoke na nwanyị. Hey, Princess, double portion. I like that. Okay. Damnik. Is it Damnik? Damnik. Ọ bụ enyi nwanyị ka m nwere. Whoa, that's good one. Clement, enwere m enyi nwoke na nwanyị. You guys are too much. Those who have boys and girls, una too much, una get power well. All right, let's go to the next. Damnik, where are you joining us from? Which part of the country, Nigeria, or any other part of the world? Let's know. Damnik, where are you joining from? Let's know where you're joining us from. All right, next question. Boston, that should be USA, if I'm right. Good one. All right, let's go to the next question. Gịnị bụ aha enyi gị? 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 Let's go. Answer that. Okay, first of all, write what I've said in English before you answer the question. Gịnị bụ aha enyi gị? Write what I've just said exactly the way I said it in English before you answer the question. Gịnị bụ aha enyi gị? Translate what I've said into English and write in the chat before we answer the question. That Nick is already in. Okay, and then Princess is in. Who else is coming in? Nake, where are you? Gịnị bụ aha enyi gị? Gịnị bụ aha enyi gị? I'm waiting for Nake. I'm waiting for Emehe. Clement. Gịnị bụ aha enyi gị? Okay, what is the name of your friend? Okay, or friends. Okay, that's fine. Those who have male and female, it should be friends. That's fine. All right, Nake, where are you? Have you gone awo? Nake, the floor is waiting for you. Gịnị bụ aha enyi gị? Let's go there. Gịnị bụ aha enyi gị? Nake, I'm waiting for you before I mark. Okay, actually all of you are getting it right. Danny, what is your friend's name? Correct. Ezenwa, what is your friend's name? Correct. Clement, what is the name of your friend? Also correct. Wonderful. Okay, what is the name of your friend? Correct. Naka is in. That's excellent. Okay, now you go ahead and answer this question by yourself. Answer it in Igbo language. What I'm going to write, what I've just said in Igbo now, in the chat. Okay, while you answer. Remember, I said my eye with dot under is failing me. Otherwise, my eye here should all have dot under. Gịnị bụ aha? Gịnị bụ aha enyi gị? That G should be having dot under the I. G, right? Please forgive me for is my system computer is failing. I don't know why the keyboard is failing. All right. Dan Mick is in already. Is in with his answer. Dan Mick, I don't. This your name is fine, oh, but I always like to call people by Igbo name. If you have Igbo name, oblige us. It would be lovely to call you by your Igbo name. That's always interesting. Okay, and then Okazoku. Is that Okazoku? Am I correct? Okazoku, you're welcome to our live class. Okazoku, where are you joining from? Nigeria, US, UK, Canada. Let us know where you are joining from. Okazoku. Okay, please let's know where you're joining from. Great. Okay, you are from London. Great. Okay, I was talking about Damnik. If you can oblige us with your Igbo name, that would be wonderful. Timothy. Okay, Timothy is better because this Damnik is not flowing very well. Okay, Timothy, and then Okazoku. All right, you have said, Nake said, okay, Damnik was the one that answered first, like Timothy. He first said, Ahenyimbo Amara. Wonderful. Must be a very beautiful girl. And then we have Nake, Ahenyimbo or Olamma. Wow. I'm going to interpret all these names. Amara means grace. Grace. Olamma is the ornament of beauty. That is Olamma, the ornament of beauty. Let's go on. Okazoku say, Ahenyimbo Chukuma. God knows. That is Chukuma. God knows. Princess says, Ahenyimbo Chioma. That is God that is good, or good God. Chioma, good God. All right. I'm talking to Timothy again. Clement said, Habo. There are many. You should have listed their names now. And even the way you wrote it is not the way it should be written. Who will correct Clement to say their names are many? I need that to be written properly. It's not Habo Ahototo. Okay? I would have preferred to say ha nwere ọtụtụ aha. They have many names because you have many friends. All right, that would have been better. Ha nwere ọtụtụ aha. Is that taking Clement and Mehe? Correct yourself. Ha nwere ọtụtụ aha. That would have been better. Right. Let's go. Gịnị mere iji hụ ya n'anya? Gịnị mere iji hụ ya n'anya? Write what I've said in English. Gịnị mere iji hụ ya n'anya? Write what I've said now in English. Translate it. Gịnị mere iji hụ ya n'anya? Let's go. Gịnị mere iji hụ ya n'anya? Gịnị mere iji hụ ya n'anya? Let's go. Gịnị mere iji hụ ya n'anya? Translate to English and write exactly what I've said now. Gịnị mere iji hụ ya n'anya? That means Timothy has written. Okazoku has written. Okazoku. I'm trying to understand how to pronounce your name. Okazoku. Okay. Gịnị mere iji hụ ya n'anya? I got Timothy's own. I got Okazoku own. Okay. I'm waiting for others. Princess, where are you? Don't let these new people push you people behind, though. These guys seem to be very hot. This Okazoko and Timothy, they are coming with vengeance. So don't let them push you guys down. All right? You maintain your leadership. Right? Gịnị mere iji hụ ya n'anya? Let's go there. Translate what I have said into English and write in the chat. Gịnị mere iji hụ ya n'anya? Okazoko from London, and then Timothy Danmik from US. You guys you came with seriousness and you are trying to take lead. I hope my old students will challenge you guys. Or is it network that is holding them down? Yes. Gịnị mere iji hụ ya n'anya? I'm waiting for your responses. Princess, Nake, Clement, gịnị mere iji hụ ya n'anya? Let's do that now, Clement. Okay. Nake is in. Remaining Princess. Okay, he says, anyị enweghị ike ịnụ gị. Is that true? We can't hear you. Is that true? You can't hear me? Is it true that you can't hear me? Are you not hearing me now? Please, can somebody else confirm you are not hearing me? I can hear you. Okay, Okazoku say you can hear me. Princess, can you hear me? I can hear you. Okay, Nake, what is the problem? Say you can't hear me. What is it? My signals are showing that my voice is going. Okay, Princess say I can hear you. So Nake, I don't know what is the problem. You got to check your own system, not mine. Mine is working perfectly well from this end. All right? So I take that. What did you say? So I'm going to take 3 people responded, and they are Timothy, Dabnik, Okazoku, and Clement Emehe. Princess said, I don't know. Am I right? I dare to say that Dabnik, Timothy, got it together with Okazoku. Why do you love him or her? Gịnị mere iji hụ ya n'anya? Why do you love him or her? Let me go ahead to write that in Igbo. Remember my I in Guinea, the 2 I should have dot under them. Don't forget that. Okay? But my keyboard is not allowing me to do that. Okay? I don't know why. Hoya nanya. Okay? So gịnị mere iji hoya nanya? That is what I just said. Okay? And then that is the Guinea there should have dot under the eyes. Mere iji hoya mere. What cause? Iji, that you. What are you holding as a reason? Iji hoya nanya, to love him or her. Okay, that's the sentence I made in Igbo. So, Damnik got it right. Okazoku got it right. Clement, the sentence is not very perfect. You wrote, what do you love? It's not what do you love. Gini mere iji hụ ya, him or her. N'anya, why do you love him or her? Okay. Nake, can you hear me now? Please confirm if you can hear me now. Nake, confirm if you can hear me now. Others said they are hearing me. Nake, confirm you are hearing me also before I proceed. Okay? Can you confirm that, please? Okay. Now let's go to answer the question. You answer the question. Why do you love your friend? That person you love, you have a friend. Why do you love him or her? You are going to tell us that in Igbo language. Anyhow, you're going to write it. Just try your hand. Try your brain. Try your knowledge. Try everything you have learned so far. Put it to use. And tell us why you love that person in Igbo language. Okay? That nick is in already. Tell us why you love that your friend in Igbo language. Anyhow you will write it. Just write it in Igbo language. Okay? Right, that nick is in and waiting for others. Tell us why you love your friend in Igbo language. Anyhow you will write it. Just write it. We're going to patch them and correct them after. Anyone that is wrong, we amend them. So don't worry about whether it's going to be right or wrong. Just write. Just write. Okay, Kazoku is in. Just tell us any reason, whatever reason why you love that your friend or that person, tell us. Just tell us, whatever is the reason, go ahead. Damnik is in. Kazoku is in. Where are the rest? Princess is in. All right, who else is coming in? Team Clement, where are you? Nake, where are you? Confirm you are hearing me. Others say they are hearing me. Are you also hearing me? Nake. Okay. 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 Clement is in. I'm waiting for Nake to come in. Nake, can you hear me? Please confirm you can hear me. Nake, the Nake family. Can you confirm that? Nake? You do well to help us to hit the like button for this live class. Beside my channel name, hit the like button. Okay? And do help me to hit the share button to share to more people so that they can join this live class. That is the least you can do for us now. Hit like and share so others can also benefit like you are doing now. Okay? And also help me to thank those guys. You are seeing stars, yellow stars against their name. They are the one that made this live class possible and accessible to you. They are my channel members and they are paying for this live class. But because of technical hitch, we have to make it open for everybody. Can you help me give these people thumbs up? I'm talking to Dabnik and Okazoku. You can see the other people have a star against their name. Those are channel members. They are paying for this live class every month. So you are enjoying this class courtesy of their payment. So do well to give them thumbs up and tell them thank you or email. That is not too much to do for them. Please do that for them to encourage them. They drop their money every month to keep me here every Saturday. That is the power of their money. That what brings me here every Saturday. So tell them, email, God bless you. That is the least we can do for them to appreciate their contribution towards the growth of the channel and the sustenance of this class for a very long time. Every Saturday for over a year, since the beginning of this year, some of them have been paying every month. So thank you guys for believing in us. All right, I do hope that you have shared this live class, and let's go on. Now, 3 people answered. I did not see Nake's response. I don't know what's happening to him. Maybe he has technical issue. Dabnik Timothy said, ahụrụ m ya n'anya maka o nwere ezigbo obi. Okay, something is missing there. Maka na o nwere ezigbo obi. That's the only thing missing there. for Timothy, Damnik. Otherwise, your sentence is excellent. Okazoku, Chukwuma bụ nwanne m nwoke. Okay. But the way you wrote nwanne m nwoke, the way you wrote it is not okay. It should be written this way. One name, you can separate the M if you want. Okay. But nwoke can not be W, is NW. One name nwoke. I hope that is clear. Okazoku. This is the way it should be written. Okazoku, confirm if you heard me and if you got it right. And then we have Princess. Enyimbu ezigbo nwanyị. Excellent. My friend is a good woman. Good one. What about Emehe, Clement? Ewere amagi ogologo oge. Ewere amagi ogologo oge. What do you want to say, Clement? I didn't get you very clearly. What did you want to say? Ewere amagi ogologo oge. What did you want to say, Clement? Please write that in English so that I can correct the sentence. What do you intend to say, Mazi Clement Emehe? The sentence you made in Igbo, not clear at all to me. Do well to write it in English so I can do the correction. Please do that now, Clement Emehe. All right, let's go. We are moving on. Olebe enyi gị bi. Olebe enyi gị bi. Olebe enyi gị bi. I have known them a long time. Okay, that should be, they are dependable. Okay. Amara m ha oge dị anya. Okay. Mgbe dị anya or oge dị anya. Anyhow you want to write it. Okay. Oge dị anya. Okay. Ha kwesịrị. Ha kwesịrị. I'm writing that sentence now. Ha kwesịrị ntụkwasị. My I there should have dot under it, please. Ha kwesịrị ntụkwasị obi. They are dependable. So, Clement, this is your sentence. Amara m ha oge dị anya. Ha kwesịrị ntụkwasị obi. I knew them or have known them a long time ago. They are dependable. Ha kwesịrị ntụkwasị obi. That is your Igbo sentence. Clement E. Right. Now I'm going on. I said, kedebe enyi gị bi or olebe enyi gị bi. Let's go. Clement, did you get my sentence? And I'm also writing that for other people. I have known them a long time. They are dependable. Look at my translation of that and then take note of that, please. Okay. Olebe enyi gị bi. Okay, that's fine, Clement. Olebe enyi gị bi. That is the next sentence. Few people have responded. Princess has come in. Damnik is in, or Kazuka or Kazoko is in. Olebe enyi gị bi. Yes, let's do that. Clement, drop your own. Translate what I've just said now. Olebe enyi gị bi. I didn't say Nake again. What happened to him? He had technical glitch or what? Olebe enyi gị bi. That is what you should write now, Clement. Okay, okay. Iyanake is back. Alotagom. Yes, you have returned. Alo achigom. It should be alo achigom, not alotagom. Okay, you've come back. Alo achigom. Alo achigomo. Okay, alo achigom. I've returned. Alo achigomo. All right. So if you have come back, and write what we are saying now. Olebe enyi gị bi. Olebe enyi gị bi. Okay, drop your own response and let me start marking now. Damnik, Timothy, where does your friend live? Correct. Or Kazoko, where does your friend live? Correct. Clement, where does your friend live? Correct. Where is Princess? Oh, Princess is the first person to respond. I'm very sorry, my dear. Forgive me. Princess was the first to answer this question. Where does your friend live? Correct. Okay, you are the first to drop your answer. Then followed by other people. Okazoku, welcome to the Igbo family. Oh, Okazoku, you have subscribed to our channel membership. Thank you very much for doing that. We appreciate. We do hope that Dominic Timothy will do the same thing. That is the only way we can support this project to go on every month. It takes time and energy to be here the same time every week, and then the other people benefit from that. So the least you can do for us is to drop your subscription every month and let the Igbo learning continue. Thank you, Okazoku, for doing that. Dominic Timothy, we're expecting your subscription to the Igbo family. Okay? Thank you very much. All right. So we are talking about where does your friend live? Nake also wrote, where does your friend live? All of you are correct. Okay? And then, but you are going to answer the question. Oh, Bina, so place. Oh, Bina, Nigeria. Oh, Bina, America. Oh, Bina, Canada. Oh, Bina, Boston. Oh, Bina, Bobola. Okay? You can just tell us where your friend live. Okay? Okay? Olebe Enyigibi. Just reply the question. Although I seem to have given you the expo already. Okay? I've given you the expo. Obina Houston. Okay? Okay, you told me this is not Houston, it's Houston. Houston. I hope I got it this time around. Princess, did I get it? Houston. Houston. I hope I got the pronunciation. If I don't get it, forgive me, please. Don't crucify me. I'm not American. I'm a Nigerian man. Okay. So, but I do hope I got the pronunciation this time. You have corrected me before. There is no Houston, it's Houston. Okay. All right, correct. That's great. All right, Obi na Sokoto. Who said Obi na Sokoto? Okazoku. The way you wrote it is not the way it should be written. Okay. And then Clement, Obi, USA, Hano, America. All right, I said, well, correct. Well done. All right. You can see that my memory is sharp. I can remember the correction long time ago. Princess, you have to praise me. I can remember. I'm not too old. I'm still young to remember. Right. And Clement, Obina, USA. All right. The only person I need to correct here is Okazoku. The way you wrote it is Obinna. It's not Obina. You wrote Obinna. That is the heart of the father. That is not Obina. Those three words are different words. O is a different word on its own. That is he or she. That is O for pronoun. B, that is leaves. Then you put in place na ebe na Sokoto. Okay. Again, there is a problem. One challenge I have with almost all your sentences. Nobody seems to get the preposition. This is a preposition. The way it should be written is N, comma, on top, before you write the place. So all of you didn't do that. Princess wrote, Obina, Houston. That's not the way it is written. Look at my own, Nasokoto. Okay, that's the way it should be written. And then Clement, Obina, you have corrected yourself. You said Obina, USA, but I've just done a general correction. It's a preposition. So we have to go with N, comma on top, the name of the place. Okay, so yeah, Obina, Sokoto. Did you write Sokota? Did I write Sokota instead of Sokoto? I hope you get me. Obina, Dallas. Yes. Nake, the way you wrote it now is the way it should be written. Obina, Dallas. And comma on top, apostrophe on top, the name of the place. That is a preposition. Okay. That is Obina, USA. Correct. That is the way it should be written. Okay. I hope others will take that correction. Let's go. Next question. Gịnị ka ọ na-eme ebe ahụ? Gịnị ka ọ na-eme ebe ahụ? Right, what I've just said in Igbo language, in English language rather. Gịnị ka ọ na-eme ebe ahụ? Did I write Kenebobi? Okay, you guys are the one that wrote it. I've written it. I think I've written it. I think I've written Kedebobi. One name, okay. What did I write it? Amaram. Okay. I didn't write Kedebobi. Okay. Doing what is he doing there? Okay. Gịnị ka ọ na-eme ebe ahụ? Damnik is in. Okazoku is in. Gịnị ka ọ na-eme ebe ahụ? Okazoku, you have a blue star because you are just a greenhorn. You just join a family member, Igbo family. That's why you have a blue star. These people with yellow star have been there for 5 months and above. Okay, that's good. Damnik, we're expecting you to subscribe to our channel membership to encourage us to keep pushing with Igbo language. I hope you will do that. Right. What is he doing? Who has not responded to this? Okay, I have Okazoku responding, Nake followed by Princess, followed by Damnik Timothy, followed by Okazoku again. Is that a correction? Yeah, I think that's a correction. You are correcting yourself. And then Clement again. Okay, good. All of you seem to be very correct. Let me begin with the first person that replied, which is Okazoku. What is doing there? You corrected yourself down there. What is he doing there? Correct. Nake, what is he doing there? Correct. Princess, what is he doing there? Correct. Dominic, Timothy, what does he or she do there? Still okay. Okay, but neme is present continuous. Neme is doing. Neme, present continuous. So I prefer is doing there. Okay. Okay. But it's not as if your answer is entirely wrong. What does he or she do there? It's not wrong entirely. Timothy. Then Clement, what is he or she doing there? All your answers are in order. Okay. Okay. They are all in order. Let's go. You are going to answer your own, give your answer as it is peculiar to you. As it is peculiar to you. You know what your friend is doing, where he's staying or she's staying. Tell us what your friend is doing there in Igbo language. Direct in Igbo language, no English. In Igbo language, tell us what your friend is doing there. Answer that question. Okay? Answer the question in Igbo language. Let's go. Answer this question in Igbo language. Let's go there. Let's go there. Okay? Let's go there. Let's go there. What is your friend? What is it or she doing there? You just tell us what the person is doing wherever he or she is. That is the next thing to do. I'm not going to say it. You write it in Igbo language. Go ahead and write in Igbo language. Write it, whether it's correct or not correct. Make sure you write something. You can be sure I'm going to correct you. If it is wrong, you can be sure of that. Okay? Damnik is in. All right. Okazoku is in. Okay. Okazoku is in. Just write something. If you don't write anything, there is nothing to correct. And if I don't correct anything, you don't learn anything. So it is from nonsense that we have sense. There is sense in nonsense. It's a part of nonsense. So you just write something, okay? And then I do the correction where necessary. Then we all learn from that. Okay? I've got answer from Timothy, Damnik. Got answer from Okazoku. I've got answer from Nake. Where are the rest? Gini ka ọ na-eme ebe ahụ. Okay, tell us what your friend is doing over there, wherever he or she is. Tell us what he's doing there. I do believe that you have already shared this live class and you have hit the like button. Some people have not hit the like button beside my channel name. I just have 4 likes here, not yet complete. Some of us have not liked this live class. That is not fair. Right, I got 3 answers. What are the rest doing? Princess, Emehe, where are you? Where's your answer? And then who else has not answered? Princess, Emehe, who else is there? Drop your response and let's do the marking. Let's do the marking. Drop your response. It is important that those of us who want to be part of this class next Saturday will subscribe to our membership, because it's not always open like this. It can only come open like this if there is a technical problem in our private class. Otherwise, it comes as a private class to only members every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time. Okay? So, subscribing to our membership, the Igbo family, is very important. Okay? Now, we're going on. I got same people responding. Princess has not turned in her response. Clement has not turned in his response. What is holding you? Tell us what your friend is doing. Clement is in. Okay, Clement is in. What about Princess? Princess, where is your response? Zani, gịnị ka ọ na-eme ebe ahụ? Gịnị ka ọ na-eme ebe ahụ? Gịnị ka enyi gị na-eme ebe ahụ? Gwa anyị ihe ọ na-eme ọsịsọ. Oge na-aga aga. Okay, my response is there. Where is it? I have not seen your response. Is it up there? Let me check. Let me check. Oh, where is it doing there? Where is your response? What I saw last from you is, what is he doing there? That is the question. We're not talking about the answer to that question. I have not seen your response, so maybe network swallowed it. I have not, oh, Princess. It's not here, oh, I didn't see it, oh. Maybe it's hanging in the air. Maybe it's hanging in the air, I didn't see it. Oblige us with that response again. Maybe the first one has been lost in transit. The last chat I saw from you is, what is he doing there? All right. Okay. I wrote, okay. Okay, that's good. That's good. Let's review the responses. Who answered first? It was Damnik. Ọ na-arụ ọrụ ndị pharmacy. Ọ na-arụ ọrụ ndị pharmacy. Okay. Let me see. Ọ na-arụ. Ọrụ. Is that ọrụ? No. Ọ na-arụ ọrụ ndị. Ọ na-arụ ọrụ n'ebe a na-eme ọgwụ. N'ebe a na-eme ọgwụ. Okay, pharmacy is where they do medicine now. But even though these days it's only selling medicine they are doing. They are not doing medicine. Okay. Ọ na-arụ ọrụ n'ebe a na-eme ọgwụ. That is pharmacy. Okay, but these days, the only way they're selling medicine, they don't do medicine, they only sell. But pharmacists actually do medicine. Okay, that is Damnik. What do we have for Kazoku? Nkwakuko. Did you want to say is going to school? Is that what you want to say, or Kazoku? Do you want to say Onago? Onago akwụkwọ is studying or is schooling. Is that what you want to say, or Kazoku? I guess that is what you meant. And then I go to Nake. Ọ na-eme azụmahịa ụgbọala. Good one. Okay. He's selling cars. Okay. He's selling cars. Right. Good. Okay. Okazoku, did you get what I wrote? Ọ na-agụ akwụkwọ. Did you get it? That's what it should be. It's schooling. Nake, your answer is correct. It's excellent. Ọ na-ere ụgbọala. He's selling cars. Excellent. Excellent. Clement. Ọ bụ onye engineer. Okay. Okay. But let me make it a little bit better. Let me make it a little bit better, Clement. It should be ọ bụ engineer. It has a name in Igbo. Ọ bụ onye nka na ụzụ. Nka na ụzụ. That is engineer in Igbo. Nka na ụzụ. That is technology or engineering. Ọ bụ onye nka na ụzụ. That is for Clement. Ọ bụ onye engineer. Right, Princess Mary. Okay. Ọ bụ na-anụ ụlọ ndụ. Is that ụlọ ndụ? Is that ụlọ ndụ? Ọ bụ na-anụ ụlọ ndụ. What do you? I'm trying to understand what you mean. Ụlọ ndụ. Ọ bụ na-anụ ụlọ ndụ. Can you help me with the English version of what you wrote, Princess? Is working in a living home or estate, or what do you mean by ulondo? Or you want to say a recreation center? Let me understand what you wanted to write so that I can make correction. Okay, she's enjoying life. I don't believe that's what Princess means, so she's enjoying life. Is that what you mean, Princess? Please put the English version. Let me do the proper correction. I say uto, not ulo. Okay, it says uto, not ulo. She's enjoying life is what I type. Okay. Obunanu utondo. So Nake is actually correct. When Nake knows she's enjoying life. Oh my God. Utondo. Obunanu utondo. Okay, actually it should be on a purindo. That is enjoying life. Why am I writing capital letter? It is on a purindo. That is what it is. Oh, that is enjoying life. Oh. On a purindo is enjoying life. On a purindo. Okay. Okay, she's enjoying life, or he's enjoying life. On a purindo. Okay, he's enjoying life. Princess, do you get what I wrote? On a purindo. And that is for everybody also. Is enjoying life on a purindo. Is that clear? Do you get what I wrote? Do you get what I mean? On a purindo. On a purindo. He or she is enjoying life. Is it clear? Do you get that? Princess? Is that okay? Yeah. All right. All right. Adema. Last sentence or question. Afole kaginaya megoro enyi. Afole kaginaya megoro enyi. Let's go. Afo ole kaginaya megoro enyi. Write what I've said in Igbo, in English rather. Translate what I've said into English. And write in the chat. Afo ole kaginaya megoro enyi. Let's go there. Let's shoot. Let's go. Afole kaginaya megoro enyi. Princess, do you understand my correction on your own sentence? Did you get it? Yes, Dominic is in. Dominic is in. And then Princess is in. Afole kaginaya megoro enyi. Two people have responded. Let the other people join that. Afole kaginaya megoro enyi. Great, Princess. Good. Yes, I got two responses from Dominic, Timothy, and from Princess, and from Okazoku. Afole kaginaya megoro enyi. Afole kaginaya megoro enyi. I got three responses already from Dominic, Timothy, Princess, Okazoku. What are the rest guys doing? Afole kaginaya megoro enyi. Let's go there. Shoot your response. Yes, so you are driving home. Afole kaginaya megoro Enyi. Nake is in. Yes, where is Okazoku is in? Where is okay? Dominic is in. Princess is in. I'm waiting for Clement. Afole Kagina Yamegoro Enyi. Clement, your response. Clement is in. Okay, let's mark your scripts. Dominic, how many years have you and him been friends? Correct. Princess, how many years have you been friends? Still correct. Ginaya, talking about you people, two of you. You, okay? Have you been friends? Okay? So that's fine. And then Okazoku, what made you and he friend? No. Afole is how many years? Afo is year. Ole is how many? Okay. So Nake, how many years have you and him been friend? Correct. Clement, how long have you been friend? Also correct. Also correct. Okay. Maybe I need to write the English Igbo version. Afo Ole Kage. Forgive my ge, it should be I with dot under. Naya Megoro. Okay? Eni. That is what I asked. Kage Naya Megoro Eni. Right. And then your responses are correct. Then let's go ahead and answer the question. What you're going to write is, we have been friends for, you now write the number of period, either year or month or thereabout. We have been friends for, write that in Igbo language. Write that in Igbo language. We have been friends for how long? Okay. We have been friends for, okay. We have been friends for, write the number of years or months. Okay. Only Princess has dropped her answer. What are the rest doing? Okay. Answer that question. We have been friends for how long? You now put how long. Okay. Princess has dropped her response. What are the rest waiting for? We have been friends for this and that. Dominic is in. Timothy. Okay. Okay, got two responses. What are the rest doing? I got Princess, I got Dominic, Timothy. What about Okazoku? About Nake? Oh my God. Canary King. Oh, you are coming too late. We are almost rounding up the class. Anyway, Dewo, welcome to class. Canary King. Dalo for coming. I think you've been in our class before. Canary, have you been to our live class before? Your name sounds familiar. Yeah, have you been to our live class before? Canary King, have you been in our live class before? Your name sounds familiar. Have you been in my class before? Canary, have you been in my live class before? I just want to confirm that, but your name sounds familiar to me. All right, waiting for that response. Yes, okay, yes, I love your class. Great, thank you for, appreciating us. But you are coming very late. We used to start by 2 p.m. Nigerian time. That is 13:00 GMT. And so you are coming very, very late. Yeah, you come so late. We are running off the class. Yeah, you do well to join our channel membership so you can rewatch our live classes. Canary King, if you join our channel membership, it will give you access to all our previous live classes. You can rewatch them. And then that will also get you ready for next week, Saturday, because by next week, Saturday, we will start with only channel members. It may not be open for everybody. So do well to hit our join button, the black join button beside my channel name, to join our channel membership so that you can have access to all our perks. We also have free ebook every month for channel members. Free ebook every month. And the ebook is special in the sense that it comes with text, pictures, and audio, downloadable audio. So it is 3-in-1. So join our channel membership, give you access to live class, access to free ebook every month, and other perks, even access to me directly. So do well to join our channel membership. Canary King, I'm addressing you directly here. So let's go on to mark your answers, which is we have been friends for so many years. Princess was the first person to drop answer. She says, "Anyị bụ enyi maka afọ asatọ." There is no need to put maka there. You can just say, "Anyị bụ enyi afọ asatọ." Okay? If you want to say past 5 years, you say afọ asatọ gara aga for the past 5 years. So we just simply say, "Anyị," that "Anyị" should have I without under. Bụ enyi. Bụ enyi. I'm addressing Princess now. Afọ asatọ gara aga. We've been friends for the past 8 years. That is exactly what I've written now. We've been friends for the past 8 years. That is for Princess. Dominic Timothy wrote, "Anyị abụgo enyi afọ abụọ." We've been friends. That is what you wrote. We've been friends for 2 years, and that is correct. That is excellent for Dominic. Canary King, okay, you're just coming in now. Clement, "Anyị enwere enyi maka 40 afọ." Oh, this your sentence. I think you want to say, we've been friends for 40 years. 40 afọ. Let me reorder it very well. Okay, I'm talking to Clement now. Let me reorder your sentence. Okay, Anyị, it should be I with dot under. Bụ enyi. Okay, afọ 40. That is the order. 40. Okay, that's Clement. Anyị enwere enyi afọ 40. 40 afọ is afọ 40. So this is simply the way it should be. Clement Emehe, that is your correction. We've been friends for 40 years. Anyị bụ enyi afọ 40. We move on to Nnake. Anyị bụ enyi kemgbe afọ atọ. Excellent. This means we have been friends, or been friends for since. That is kemgbe. For those of you who don't know this, kemgbe or kambe is since afọ atọ, since 3 years. That's what the Nnake family wrote. Anyị bụ enyi kemgbe afọ atọ. We've been friends since 3 years. Excellent. Excellent. Good job, you, Nnake. Okay, yes, I love your class, Canary. I learned so much here. Good one. Okay, next week, fine. All right. I think that is where we are drawing the curtain today. If you think you've learned from our class today, do well to drop the thumbs up emoji for us. Drop your super chat or super sticker if you so wish, just to appreciate and encourage us. And those of you who are yet to join our channel membership, you do well to do that. That is the best way you can encourage us, so you can sustain this, teaching every Saturday. Okay, so thank you, guys. Dominic, I hope you're going to do that. Thank you, Okazoku, for joining our membership, the Igbo family. I appreciate you guys. Nake, Princess, Clement, you are too much. Canary King, appreciate you guys. All of you got Chibugozie Unu Niile. You draw. Thank you, Damni, for your prayers. Yeah, drop your emoji and then drop your stickers if you want. We appreciate you guys. Thank you for coming here, making me to be here every day, for keeping this light burning. See you next Saturday, God willing. Kemesia ahoromu nanya. Kemesia. I love you guys. All right. Dalo. Yeah. Dalo. Okazoku. Thank you. Clement. Darurinde. All right. Who else is dropping emoji? Yes. Thank you very much. Appreciate you guys. You are too much. Ngwa ka ọ dị ka emesịa ka ọ dị izu ụka ọzọ. Till next week. Bye. Ka emesịa.